5 tips to maintain your car. Maintaining your car is essential for ensuring its longevity and reliability. Here are 5 tips to help you keep vehicle in a top condition. 1. Regular oil changes. Engine oil is crucial for lubricating and cooling engine components. Follow your car vehicle manual to determine the appropriate interval for oil changes, which typically range from every 3,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your car model and driving conditions. 2. Tire maintenance. Check your tire pressure monthly and ensure it is at the recommended level to improve fuel efficiency and tire lifespan. Additionally, rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles to promote even wear and extend their life. 3. Brake checks. Regularly inspect your brakes for wear and tear. Listen for any squeaking or grinding sounds and check the brake fluid level. Promptly address any issues to ensure your safety and prevent costly repairs. 4. Battery care. Inspect your car battery for corrosion on the tank and ensure it's securely mounted. Replace the battery every 3 to 5 years or sooner if you notice any starting issues or dimming lights to avoid unexpected breakdowns. 5. Fluid levels. Regularly check and top off essential fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Keeping these at the correct levels helps your car run smoothly and prevents overheating and other issues. By adhering to these maintenance tips, you will enhance your vehicle's performance and avoid unnecessary repairs, ensuring safe and enjoyable driving experiences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.